How to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video we will learn how we can set up or enable voice navigation in Google Maps. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To enable voice navigation in Google Maps, go ahead and then make sure to launch the Google Maps application over here. So in my case, I'll also just go ahead and then open up my Play Store and then just search for the Maps application, and then I'll open the Google Maps app. Once done, I'll just give it any access it requires. So what I will do now is I will tap the profile icon from the top right over here. So let me just tap the Google profile icon and go to settings. Once you go to settings, here you'll be able to set different sorts of options, but you want to go to navigation settings. And here you can see under sound and voice, you want to make sure to select unmuted, because if it's set to muted or alerts only, it will not receive voice navigation. So you have to make sure it's set to unmuted, and once done, you should be good to go. This way you'll be able to enable voice navigation in Google Maps. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.